siguro yung limitation is area. Buong Metro Manila na ba? Yung provinces, may ganun na ba? And then next question is, or the second question is, all subscribers po ba, meaning existing, would benefit with the 12 hours after sales na commitment or pledge ni Converge?
Well, yung una pong tanong, almost 100% of NCR, National Capital Region, naka-fiber na po, may mga facilities na po tayo. And sa mga regions po, North and Central, South Luzon and Bicol, and also Visayas, Mindanao, lalo na po sa Visayas, Mindanao, very heavy po ang expansion namin dyan. Pero dito po sa Metro Manila, almost 100%, na po, talagang covered na ho namin even the residential. Doon po sa second question, na kasi when it comes to residential, ito talaga yung bottleneck ng service. Sa lahat ng mga telco within Metro, sa buong Pilipinas na po siguro natin, hindi lang Metro Manila, talagang ang challenge po dyan is the service. Alam naman natin yan, kalat na kalat sa social media yan. No? That's why we are continuing developing the different services po na ano pa pwede natin gawin para ma-deliver talaga yung 12 hours. So, may mga areas po tayo na nagagawa na natin yung 12 hours. May mga areas din po tayo na within 24 hours yung service natin. Pero kaya nga po si Converge patuloy na nag-i-invest sa manpower kasi kailangan mo dyan manpower para kalatan mo buong Metro Manila for us to be able to deliver the 12 hours. Sa ngayon po, ang nagagawa ko ni Converge ngayon ay 24 to 48 hours. No? Kaya nga po nilaunch namin itong 12 hours only for the 200 buildings around Metro Manila po. So,
Thank you very much.
Hopefully, nasagot po namin yung katanungan po ninyo.
So just to wrap lang yung sinabi ni Sir Eden, the first question is condominiums with in NCR, and then the FiberX ready, yung sinasabi niya ng vertical and horizontal. So from the 1,700, 203 of those buildings are basically eligible for the FiberX pledge. So you have 3 installations same day for new customers, obviously, and then the repair and the upgrade serves the existing customer. So NCR, alam ko medyo maraming caveat lang, no? Just to make sure of that one, we're servicing Quezon City, Las Piñas, Parañaque, Pasay, Muntinlupa. Did I forget? Taguig. We will be publishing the serviceable areas that are eligible for FiberX pledge. But I just want to also add to what my bosses said here earlier. There are a lot of limitations, of course. It's stated in our terms and conditions. Of course, yung mga typhoons, HOA permits, those are like our challenges. Kasi sometimes even our technicians are already within downstairs sa building. If the permit isn't served right away, there will be a problem. So I guess from what Ma'am has questioned kanina, no, what will be the case if we miss the commitment? Siyempre ayaw natin ng commitment, pero kami were committed. Meron, yung sabi nga ni Ms. O, meron kaming e-vouchers na pamimigay. So, just for us to be continually motivated to adhere to the 12-hour promise, or what I said, or less. Yeah.
12 hours or less. Thank you so much.